Hello guys, so in today's video we will see this kind of puzzle. In this puzzle 10 persons are given to us and few of them are facing inside and few of them facing outside. So this is the puzzle and this also you can see, and for this puzzle I would like to give 6 out of 10. Level of difficulty will be 6 out of 10 because this is the puzzle which we also see in mains exam. You may have noticed, if you have given the exam, there we found many of the puzzles which we are able to attempt, okay, which we can attempt easily, okay, if we try. So this is the puzzle of this is a puzzle of that kind. So let's start. And one more thing before starting, we have also guys just please go to and check our others video also, okay. We have posted very nice quality videos, very high quality videos also, high level DI and puzzles also here, okay. So try that, check that also. So now let's start. What is given in the condition here? It is given that the 10%, these are the name of person, are sitting around a circular table such that 5 of them first facing outside towards the center and 5 of them facing outside, okay. So 5 inside, 5 is inside, 5 are outside, okay. And then after person whose names start with consonant were not sitting immediate to the person whose names start with the letter which are immediate before and after the consonant in the English alphabet series. What is the meaning of this? It wants to say that if a person whose names start with any consonant, let's say R, okay. So what is the just what the alphabet comes just before this? PQ, okay, PQRS. So this Q and S will not come with R. These both should not be together. These both should not be together with R. So this we have to keep it in mind. After this, what it's saying, person whose name start with a vowel were not sitting immediate to the person whose name start with a vowel. Mean vowel will not be immediate neighbor of vowel, okay. Simply this is the condition. Further, the information regarding this is given below. Note, the person sitting immediate to the person A was facing the same direction as person A. If person A was facing outside, then the person sitting immediate to A were facing outside. Means it wants to say that if a person like A and B, suppose that these are the two person, okay, and one person is facing outside, then the other also will face outside. If this is given that these both persons are facing same direction, and opposite to this, if the person is facing inside, then another will also face inside, okay. Similarly, okay, this condition will apply here for inside and outside both. What is saying next? Person sitting immediate to the A were facing opposite direction of A. Means person facing outside, then the person sitting immediate to A were facing inside. What is this meaning? Just suppose that these are the two person, okay. One is facing outside, one is facing outside, then the other, and it is given that these two are facing opposite, then if this is facing outside, then this will face inside, and opposite to this, if this is facing inside, then this will face outside, okay. I hope you understand this. Now after this, person A was sitting left or right of person B. Means the person A was sitting with the respect of direction of person B. Mean if a person A is sitting, suppose let's say it is sitting second to the right of B, then this right this direction we will consider, keep it in mind, we will place according to this person, okay, not according to B. So if it is facing inside, then according, and just suppose that it is face outside, okay, this just opposite to direction of this, then this A will come this side of, okay, this side of B, then this will be second left, okay. I hope you understand what I want to say in this. Actually guys, I also told you in earlier my videos that I am not an English teacher. I just know the basics of English. I am just trying, because many request also I get in my previous videos that also post the video in English language. So that's why I also started this series, and hope you like, and if I make any mistakes, so please avoid that and focus to the content, okay. Now here from here the puzzle starts. So first of all, let me write the basic condition which were given in the instruction. What were the condition? That vowel should not be vowel will not come together. Vowels will not come together. Minute. Vowels will not come together. Vowels, okay. And one more condition was that the consecutive alphabet, consecutive consonant or whatever is there, they will not come together. Like just see A, D, okay. Here there is gap between A and D. How many? If you count A, B, C, D, there are gap. Okay, leave this. Now I, J, K. Focus in these three. I, J, K consecutively. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so I, J, and K. These are coming consecutively now. So these should not come together. I, comma J, comma K. These should not come together. This was the condition. N, P, no link between these. P, R, S, R, S come together always. So in our puzzle, in our sitting arrangement, these also should not come together. Okay, and last is Urmi. So this will completely come alone. No link between these R and U, S. Okay, so now start the condition. What are conditions given to us? Naveen and Subham were sitting immediate to Indra. Naveen and Subham were sitting immediate to Indra. So before starting, let me first draw the diagram also, which will be required for this. Okay, so I have drawn the diagram. Now, once again, let me read the condition. Naveen and Subham sitting immediate to Indra. So just suppose that Indra is sitting here. Okay, then Naveen will be here and Subham will be here. And just opposite to this, Subham, just suppose Subham is here and Naveen is here. After this, Urmi, who was facing outside, I will write the person who are facing outside here, okay, and the person who are facing inside here, okay. So what is saying? Urmi who was facing outside, so you will be here, okay. Facing outside was third to the right of Ratan, okay. Where R is facing, we don't know this. R is facing inside or in outside, we don't know. Till now it is not given. Immediate person of Dilip were facing the opposite direction of Dilip. What is the meaning of this? The person those are sitting immediate neighbor to Dilip, they are opposite. And also they are opposite to Dilip. Okay, they are not opposite to each other. They are opposite to Dilip. So that's why I written in short D. D means Dilip. Okay, so keep it in mind. I always write this type of condition in this manner. And after this, Punit was facing outside while Jitu was facing inside. Punit was facing outside. So right here P and Jitu inside. Okay. Immediate neighbor of Urmi was facing same direction. So write U and make immediate neighbors. And write SD. Okay, you may, if you have seen my earlier videos, in that also I have mentioned, I have clearly told you that SD I write for same direction. OP I write for, sorry, here it is O, not OP, it is OD. Okay, OD, it was looking around like OP, it is OD. So OD means opposite direction, SD means same direction. Okay, so what is the meaning of this condition then? This condition means that the immediate neighbors of U are in same direction. Okay, it is not given that they will be opposite to you or same to you. That we don't know. That is not given. But these should be same direction. There should be same direction of these two. Kunal is sitting third to the left of Dilip. Kunal is sitting third to the left of Dilip. Okay, 3 persons were sitting between Kunal and Indra. So 3 persons will be there between K and I, and we don't know the direction. This can be in any direction. Arjun was last. If you are not able to see, Arjun was sitting second to the right. Sorry, Arjun was sitting second to the right of Naveen. We already have now Naveen here, so we can place this condition now directly without writing here. So Arjun should be second to the right of Naveen. So is this possible to write Arjun here? It is not possible because already it is filled. So we will write Arjun here. and to make this second right, we have to make this the Naveen have to face inside. Similarly here also Naveen have to face outside, and here Arjun is not possible, so we are arranging this here. So till now we have used all the written all the conditions. Now check the other question, other condition. What are that? So we have k and I, sorry, we have I. Okay, we have I in this. Okay, we have I. Using I we can write k, and using k we can write d. So we will think about this condition. So first of all, think where k can be. Suppose I is here, but skip 3% and then k will come. So 1 2 3, and here we can write k, and similarly 1 2 3 also we can write k here. Check this also, 1 2 3 k we can write here, and in this side 1 2 3 k can be written here. So these are mean if we look at this, mean these two condition are giving more another two more conditions. So we will not draw that. What we will do now, we will just also check one more condition which we have, that is the d also must be there after skipping two places. So if we write, suppose that if we write k here, okay, now is there a space for d or not? Check that. If it k is here, 1 2, this side d is not possible, so check the another side, 1 2 d is possible here. Okay, so we can write k here in this condition. Now check this also. If I write k here, then is this possible for d? Is there any space for d? So no, this side is not possible, and same this side also not possible, so we cannot write k here. So we have to write k here only. Okay, so I'm writing k here. Okay, and by skipping two places we have to write d here, and d k should be second left, sorry, third left, so we have to make the face of d inside. Similarly, check in this also. So if we write k here, then check, is it possible after skipping two places, can we write k? So 1 2 it is not possible, and this side also 1 and 2, here already a is written, so k is not possible here, we have to write k here only. Okay, and now skip the two places, this side d is not possible, so we have to write d here. Done. Okay, and one more thing, this should be in third left. So to make it third left, we have to show the face make the face outside. Now I am roughing this. Done. Now one more condition, this was given to us, that the immediate neighbors of d should be opposite direction, in opposite direction of d. So if this is looking outside, then these two will be inside, and similarly if this is looking inside, then this will be outside. Okay, so done. And now this condition, this is not possible now because we don't have u. Oh, okay, we can try for this. So just check this as we have checked earlier. In the same manner we will check this also. So u and r, there should be two places, there should be two places between u and r. So just suppose that u, one more thing, u is what is given, u must be outside. So if u is here, skip two places, r can be here. Okay, and if u is here, r can be here. Okay, no problem. So I'm just supposing that u and r are here. I'm changing the color. Suppose that u and r are here. Now check the other, what are left? J and p are left. J and p are left, rest all are already we have placed in this condition. J and p are left, and one of these are facing outside, and one of these is J is facing inside and p is facing outside. So we also have to keep it in mind this point. So if I have placed this r and u here, so these are possible. These are possible because we want to p outside. Okay, I will write p here, and this is what j will be here, and j will face inside as the condition is given. And what about r and u? Now, u can be here, okay, and r will be here. And just take opposite of this. We take right opposite of this, r here and u here, then what happens? Then this condition contradict this this, okay. So in this manner this is completed. We no need to check this also. Okay, is anything left or not? The immediate neighbors of d should be in u, sorry, immediate neighbors of u should be in same direction. So I think this is this condition is completed. Now nothing left. We no need to check this then. So done. Now let me write the conditions also, sorry, direction also this of this. So immediate neighbor of u should be same direction. So this is facing outside, then this also will face, sorry, this also will face outside. And what are left? What is left now? And u should be second, right? This we have already written. U is facing outside. U is facing outside. Okay. P is also facing outside. J is facing inside. Okay. Most of the direction we have done. Now check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 are done. What is left? I think something I have skipped in this condition. Any condition we have skipped. Okay, one more thing. See, look at here. We have not, we have contradict this condition. What it was saying that R and S should not be, they should not be together. So here we have written together. So can we change this? I'm changing this. Okay, I'm changing this. I'm writing U here and write R here. Okay, it was possible now. I was just checking and just directly write here. I not think that time. So done, we have done this. Now what left? So if u is here, now I have to erase this also. U is wherever is u, the immediate neighbor of u should be in same direction. If this is inside, facing inside, then this also face inside. Now count, now check the direction of how many persons we have already mentioned here. So D S N J 1 2 3 4, and to make u this direction, right side, so we have to also make it inside. So 5 the person which are facing inside, all 5 we have now. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, done. Now the remaining will face outside. So this was the solution. This is the solution. Now you can check this also if you need. In next video I will explain this type of solution also, like if you are solving any puzzle, one portion is done, so I will skip the another one. Okay, I hope you understand. You can try this also. This contradict any of the statement, any of these statement. By that you will come to know, by that you will know that this is wrong, this is completely wrong. You also can match this. Just check this is correct or not. RKAJNI. Okay, RKAJNI SUDP. Okay, this is done. This is no problem, no error is there. This is correct, 100% correct. And here you can check. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you like the video, and if you found any error in my English, so please avoid that. I'm not an English teacher. I'm just speaking English just for your okay, just as you said. So the video also should be in English. We cannot understand Hindi. These are the videos for that those students. Thank you. See you in next video.